little bunny. He's just, oh, there he goes. We're gonna go check out an open house. I love looking at open houses. With an ocean view. Maybe they'll let us film in there. Wow, this is the entryway, the hardwood floors. This is just the foyer. How do you say it? Foyer. Entryway. Entryway.
Brandon likes the blue and white. It would match our.
How pretty. I love it. So this is just the entry to the building. I like it, pretty.
Yeah,
they just redid it. Love the floors. Ocean view from the bedroom.
Coming.
So guess how much that condo was? Comment down below.
$200,000.
Guess
No,
how
300,
much?
300,000.
Wasn't anything fancy, needs a lot of work. Kind of like
two little bedrooms.
2 little bedrooms, probably 1,100 square feet. Comment down below and guess. I'll tell you right now.
Was it 350,000?
They're asking
higher or lower?
for 719,000 for a little 1,100 square foot condo with kind of an ocean view. Welcome to California. Now we are at our favorite sushi place. One of our favorite sushi places.
Sushi is a different experience with baby Brendan. Because, for example, we take the edamame and we smash it. Yes. And we bring him some macaroni salad or something. He likes some sushi, but the smartest thing that ever happened was this place, this sushi restaurant, served French fries. It took me a while to
potato fries.
Yeah, sweet potato. It took me a while to convert to sushi. I'm still pretty wimpy at it. And I've always said, we just need to have some French fries with the sushi. That would make it, and it does.
And Daddy got a crunch roll, and we got some garlic edamame, and I got an Alaskan roll, and Brittany has macaroni and some fries.
And some edamame and grapes.
Now we are at Ikea. Daddy's never been here, and neither has Brendan. But guess what? I don't like it that much. I've been here a couple times in my life. Have you heard that phrase? Buy cheap, buy twice? That's Ikea.
I've lived by Ikea since it's been here. I don't know if it's 10 or 20 years. Within 2 miles, and I've never been here. I don't get out much.
Brittany! You found your ball!
We are so happy! The magic 8 ball! Yeah, we found the ball! Yay! A little bed I'm gonna trip over and might work well for Brittany. Night night!
Night night! You gonna sleep in your own big boy bed!
Night night!
Night night!
You going night night with your ball? Can I lay down with you? Night night. Oh, he doesn't want to. Oh! Brandon! Oh!
Daddy's juggling.
Which one do you want? Both?
Brittany! Bryn!
Look at Mama.
Brittany! Brittany! Bryn! I just love their little mini beds. They're so cute.
You vlogging?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Night night, Brittany! Night night! Oh,
Yes, night night.
oh, you're so
okay.
cuddly.
You're in your bed now. No?
He doesn't like covers, Danny.
Oh, I forgot.
He kicks them off. So cute. There's your bed, Brinny. It might just fit. Brinny, you found the cutest lights.
We even found light up balls. Oh, oh. There's a big sunshine, I like that. But I think what I'll get for Brookie is the disco ball. That would look so cool in the dark.
Now I remember why I haven't come back here in a long time. Look at the lines to just check out. That's insane.
This is why what?
I haven't been back here.
You can tell I don't get out much. This is the most fun we have all week. Yay! Isn't that exciting? Again! Say again, please. Yay! Now, Mama, let's see how you like it.
So
What did you get? Tell us about your haul.
we got this nice soft bath mat. So nice.
Sorry, Brandon's having so much fun over here. Okay, go on, Mommy.
We got these nice white towels. Look at all these towels.
Well, they look yellow with the Kia lights.
They're
Let's see.
white. And
There we go. Now they're white.
And then we got 2 mattress protectors. Sorry, the freeway's behind you. It's hard to hear, I'm sure. But mattress protectors all for, it was 101, 102. Pretty good.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Alright guys, baby's asleep. He fell asleep on the way home. It's 9:30 right now, so I'm gonna edit this vlog. And it was a fun day today. I was so excited to upload the GoPro footage that Jeff took on the beach. I was so excited to put that up today, so if you haven't checked that out, you guys have to check that out. It's a fun video. I enjoyed editing that video and putting it up. So thanks for being with us, and we need some more likes on our video, so if you could please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe, okay? Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.